lovers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Because many are asking for tips on using the right hair dryer so that our hair stays healthy and doesn't dry out, I will make a tutorial on how to use the right hair dryer. So let's start it. So I have showered and shampooed, and before I use hair dryer, I will use hair tonic. I use hair tonic from Nature. It has a ginseng extract. I've been using this for 3 months, but the smell is not too good for me. First, prepare a power outlet and plug in the hair dryer. Don't forget to press the on button to turn on the hair dryer. And I use a hair dryer from Panasonic. A tip so that the hair is not dry is use a hair dryer with a low temperature and dry your hair with a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters from your hair. Dry your hair until it's almost completely dry, and don't forget to use hair serum. For hair serum, I use from Biolage. But if your hair is still dry, you can use hair vitamins. Usually, I use a hair vitamins from Macarizo. But now I don't use it because my hair is still very damp. So that's a few tips and tutorials on how to use the correct hair dryer so your hair doesn't get damaged. Hopefully it's useful, and see you in the next video.